Alright, I welcome you again. Remember the last time we met, we did a little overview of logarithms of numbers, but we considered numbers greater than 1. Today, we are starting something very exciting, very simple. The logarithms of numbers less than 1. Actually, this is the beginning of the topics, or the topics, yes, that you will encounter as a grade 11 student. So I want you to buckle up your seat, get ready, because the ride is going to be a very smooth one. It's going to be exciting. There'll be a lot of questions to do. We'll be tackling very challenging questions and making them as simple as possible for you to digest. So come on now, get ready and let's go. So remember, in the next class we'll look at the fact that for you to find logarithms of numbers using the log table, you need to find the characteristic and you need to find the mantissa. So today, a bit of a reminder there. If I have, let's say, a number such as 3041.7, and you need to find the first thing. If you want to find the characteristic, what's going to be the characteristic? Our characteristic is going to be, can you tell me? Of course, yes, you can use this method, like I said, 1 2 3, and that is going to give us 3 with a dot, or you can convert this to standard form. Anywho, you are correct. Okay, so the next question is, what's going to be the mantissa? All right, so I will call it mant. What's going to be the mantissa? So we say we are to look for log 30 under 4 difference 1, but today we are not interested in numbers greater than 1. We are looking for numbers less than 1. So we start with something like this. What is the log of 0.1? That's right, you are looking at it correctly, 0.1. So what do you do in such a case? What do you do? Very simple. 0.1 as a number is the same thing as 10 raised to the power of -1. What will be our characteristic? Our characteristic will simply be, can you guess it? Yeah, of course, bar 1. Now, a lot of persons will say, why not -1? Why are you putting a bar? Like I said, you can decide to call it bar 1, or some teachers prefer to say 1 bar. That's fine, okay, as long as you know that the negative sign is only affecting 1. So if I have something like let's say 0.023, you know this is the same thing as 2.3 times 10 raised to the power of -2. So what is our characteristic? Yeah, you guessed it right, bar 2. That's correct. That's very correct. You may want to go ahead and clap for yourself now. Okay, let's see another one. So if you have something like that's number 2, we can call it number 2. So you can have something like 0.000473. how do you what will this be? What will be its characteristic? So you say we can convert this to standard form. This will give us 4.73, right, times what? Times 10 raised to the power of -4. Okay, 1 2 3 and 4. So what will be the characteristic? The characteristic is simply bar 4. That is very correct. Alright, quickly look at the following. I'd like you to do it. When you finish, just send me an email with your answer and I definitely will reply you. So I will see you in the next one. In the next class, we're going to be looking at how to find the mantissa. Of course, you know how to do it, but we are going to be looking at it briefly, and then we'll look at other operations involving logarithms less than 1. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and enjoy yourself.